perfect for you.
Yay! Come on.
And the smoke bomb.
Yeah.
Plug your nose, everybody. We're all gonna die.
No, we're not.
Oh, Papa.
Maybe. Might be knocking us out.
What?
Right into
Oh, that one,
Sarah's
you must
car.
have, this one must pull too, I bet you.
Be careful.
Yep.
Good Lord.
Those pull too. Don't
Wait, can we
shoot
do-
at people.
Do the car. Well, I
want to please. Can I do that one? Well, can I pick it?
how do you do it?
I want to show them that.
Pull hard. Don't shake. Hold it like
See?
this.
No.
Hold it like this. And pull. That one was kind
Can I
of.
have one?
was hard too.
Can I have one?
Yep, give one to him, yep.
Hold on.
Is that a pole one?
Can you get the stick? I have no one hand. Record, please. And I'll...
I can record from back here, right behind you, dude.
All right. All the content, boys.
Good thing you peed yourself.
Come on. All right. 3, out 2, out 1. Oh God. Gotta use all my strength. Oh, I was trying to... I can't pull it. Oh my God. Took me long.
Kevin.
I'm a video producer right now, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna send this clip to my editor. Crazy, right? Here, give me one. Can I have one?
Uh-oh.
Move, Papa.
I don't know.
Suckers.
Yo!
That's Camden's chair.
You can sit. Yeah. Wait, let me zoom in. Holy. Dude, don't do it by my feet. Oh! That's what I was about to say!
Oh.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Give Anthony one. Anthony needs one.
Is that one of the pole?
Yeah, so this,
What is this one?
Camden needs one.
What do I do with this?
You just pull the string.
Hold on.
But don't point it at you. Other way. So,
Can somebody record? Owen, can you Owen?
Camden,
Yeah?
come this way.
now pull it like this. Point that away from you.
Do it together.
No, not at someone though, dude, okay?
Can you please see here? Thanks. Ready? Here, let's do it. Oh, okay. Move. Here, get a little zoom in that. Zoom right there? That's crazy. It's crazy.
This one. Wait, no, it's not. Here, this one.
Thanks, cameraman.
Pay me later.
I will. Cash App card. Cash App. Apple.
You were literally standing right next
Apple
to
Pay?
me.
Don't put that back in.
Where'd Papa go?
Yeah,
I don't know.
Vegas. Yo, what's up?
You guys got the same towel.
Oh, wait, hold on. What is this one? Do you want to? You
One
want
of the
to?
sparklers, yeah.
Here, here.
You're the gun one.
Oh, I did it.
That I do not feel.
You have another shirt? You want another shirt? Yeah, come on.
Dude, how do you do this?
Until later.
I don't know about
I'm
people
only doing
too.
one good one.
Okay, they might want to move their car.
Can you?
We are.
How do we do this one? How do we do this one?
Well, ask your mom first.
How do we do this?
Whoa, what's that one?
Hey, don't point. Don't
Don't
point.
point it.
I don't have.
Those little ones burned up.
How do you use it?
Some are, some ain't.
Don't like.
You just gotta squeeze the trigger. Come on.
I have them. Don't point that at me.
No, wait till
I'm
later.
reading
Those
it.
are all in the dark. Adeline, put that back too.
I don't know how you do this one.
Let me try it.
Take off the. Maybe I have to take off the pack.
No,
Wait,
try squeezing it.
I think we gotta light
Okay,
it.
watch out.
Oh!
Is that a good one?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Wait till it's dark for the
Right.
pool.
I think. Do you got a lighter? You got a lighter? Wait, light that. Light the black part. You got a lighter.
Carson, need help?
Guys, I know you can't smell it through the camera, but oh my god. Bob, move!
There it goes, Adeline.
Aw.
I think you just have to pull the trigger. I think that's what it says.
Can you hold this cord?
I need to light a cigarette. I burnt myself earlier, yeah.
Yeah, not in the car yet.
Move.
No.
Oh, you figured it out.
Said you just have to pull the trigger. You pulled the trigger right off of it, man?
Well, yeah, because it's
Well, watch your hand when you.
I don't care.
I want to do
You can be like, put it in reverse.
Took me 8 hours. Get a little zoom in on that.
Nope. You squeeze the trigger.
I take out the trigger and I pull the string. That's easier.
What's the trigger?
Do you have a lighter in there?
No.
Wait. There's there's a lighter in the
No person watch it?
I know, but like in the glove box. There should be one.
No.
Here, just go in the glove box. There we go. There we go. Papa, move! It's a sparkler. Yo. It smells so bad. If it ain't in the glove box, try the console, the center console.
I got you a box to blow off. Bigger ones. You got some too. Yeah.
Owen, come here. Owen.
Smoke bombs, I think.
Smoke bombs.
They're black.
Oh, yeah, it says blasters.
Don't be racist.
What do you do with them?
Blast them.
Can I eat them and blast out of your mouth fire? Oh, I think you take them out.
No, look.
I like to
Oh,
turn.
it's dark out. There you go.
Can I have a sparkler?
Hold it down there.
It ain't.
Yeah, I want to be cooked.
Can I have a sparkler?
Ask your mom's got the lighter.
Don't point it at anybody.
Bro, you're supposed to be walking around with it. Get your exercise in.
I gotta get the.
Watch out, Carson.
Carson, watch. You're no back up.
Come back here. I'm using it. Stop.
Here.
Okay.
Here. Use
It's a
it.
row.
Use it. Ow!
You hit yourself?
Yeah.
Can you zoom out, Annalise, please?
Don't put it next to a towel.
I didn't mean to.
You want to do one?
It does stop.
Here and here.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, it means it's all gone. We have more for later.
Oh, right here. Stop moving. Ow! Ah! Ah! Ah, my foot! Ow! Dude! Oh my god! Ow!
I'll take it.
Take it, please. I got ashes in my fucking thing, bro. Oh my god. Holy moly! Why so on me? Figure that little zoom on that way. That's disrespectful. That's crazy though. I got ashes on my foot.
Where'd you want to go?
I'm gonna stick this way. Get it away from me! Get that away from me! Crazy. Dude, I got ashes on my foot. Where do you want me to put this?
On the ground
Right
right
in the
now.
bag right there. Or no,
Can I have
it's a trash bag.
No, it is. It's garbage.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
These have to get rid of that.
I know.
Yep, by a parent.
Come on.
Oh, I thought they were the one that threw.
Nope.
Oh, grenades?
Those are the ones that your mom was just throwing. That you guys got scared on.
Boom! That one was a sissy.
Get a
Why did you throw that over me? What happens if that thing just fell on me and then
Get
just
a
blew
big
up?
one! Get a big one!
Dude, be careful. I already got ashes on my feet. Ooh, bombs away. The 2011 sound effects. light. Oh my god. Oh crap, that's by the car. Did that hit the light? Oh. Be careful. Oh crap.
Oh, Mom, your car's ruined. Mom, you could just put it on the
Dude.
ground then, like.
I was hoping it
Cars are, oh my god. Don't go in there.
Oh, it smells so good. Mom, yeah.
Oh, oh, it's in my eyes.
No, not next to the car.
No.
It feels so good.
No, it's in my eyes. Ah. Yeah, you're recording.
Mom,
What's good, What's good, fellow cameraman?
Colin, come here.
smoke bomb.
Oh my god. Oh. I got some on my eyes.
Wait, come here. Come here again.
We just did a smoke bomb.
What did we do?
A smoke bomb.
I know.
God.
Nah, the loadout drops. Nah, the loadout drops. Bro, we gotta get a loadout. Where's the loadout drop? Don't get towards that. No, that's bad for you.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Take it. Do it. Yeah, we're gonna get a supply drop. That's not good. Like, oh my god, I might need my inhaler.
This is a supply drop cooler.
Dude, I need my inhaler. Oh my god, is there any more?
No, not right now.
Well, stay tuned, guys. Goodbye.